Guys, want to run LLMs locally on your machine and finding a best way to do so? Then this video is for you. Enter Olama. Olama is an extremely popular open source project that lets you run LLMs locally. You might ask, Pawan, why Olama? There are many other projects. Why particularly Olama? Why Olama is because the community is highly active, and the tool is very simple to use. You can just download and start using it instantly in seconds, and the project is highly actively maintained and updated regularly, and it even supports multi-modal models, and so it supports new models are added as and when they are released, and updated regularly. So highly active community, there are people to help you out, and there are a lot of videos, there are a lot of articles on Olama, so you can find a better solution if you are stuck somewhere. So with all this, let's do a simple demo and see how you can run LLMs locally on your machine. Okay. So as you can see, you can go to the Olama UI, web UI, and on your desktop. And the first thing is to download from the download button. And after that, you can see you can start using different models that are listed here. Most of the open source models, and you can run this locally on your machine, on your terminal. For example, here Mistral AI. You can also see the CLI instruction and text completion code and the API. You can go to your terminal and then start running this after installing Olama run Mistral, and it gets installed in a second, in a minute, and then you can ask query like anything that you like how I'm asking here, right? What is generative AI, right? So let's see the response. You will get a response in a second or so. So this is how the Mistral model gives you the answer, the response, and yeah. Similarly, you can go to many other models. Now let's see how to use Llama 2, one of the most popular models from Meta. There is some description, there is CLI, there is API, and if you want to run Olama, run Llama 2 is the CLI to use. Similarly, like how we ran Mistral model, similarly we can use the same, and you can see it's installed in a second. And here also we can ask like any query like what are large language models, um, and then you can see the response. Yeah, something like this. Hope you're able to see my screen and how the response is generated. So it's as simple as that. And I use Olama for to test and try to play around with many models to see how different models perform, and then basically to play around with different models to see the performance. And uh, this is very interesting, and I encourage you to go to Olama, download it, and try it out and see how different large language models you can use locally and their responses and performance. Thanks.